guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my morning skincare routine. It's the most easiest skincare routine with not too many steps, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I do is I pat some cold water on my skin, and then I take my Luna Mini 2. It's made up of silicone bristles, and this side bristles which I'm touching right now are for the dry skin people. At the top are for your nose area, and at the back are for the people who have oily skin. So basically this is for all skin type. And then I take my BODYSHOP Tree face wash. This is my favorite. Also Luna Mini 2 is 100% waterproof and 99% bacteria free, which is very good for your skin. And then I pour my face wash and start massaging on my face. It gives you such relaxing feel, and I feel so fresh after using this. Also I massage this for like 1 minute twice a day, and I'm seeing a huge difference. I really like how my skin feels so supple after using this. And then I don't use a scrubber because Luna Mini 2 tackles your blackheads too. So after washing my face, I pat dry it. I always keep a separate towel, and I've said enough in all my videos. Always keep a separate towel for your face. Next step is toner. I'm using this BIOTIQUE Bio Cucumber toner. I love this toner. It makes my skin feel so fresh. So yeah. Next step is my day cream. It's from Plunge. It's called the Natural Radiance Glow Cream. I love this one. This has SPF, so separately I don't need to apply an SPF. And this cream just gives you this instant glow, which I love about it. And it's been my December favorite. And now the last step, use Vaseline for your lips. Nothing better than Vaseline ever. Also I have done few hacks with Vaseline. Do check that out. I'm gonna link that above. And now the last step, enough for our face, we should do something for our body too. So I'm using this body yogurt from BODYSHOP, and yeah, that's my last step. It was so quick, right? Also, if you charge your Luna Mini 2 once, it goes up to for like 4 to 5 months, and that's the best part. It's so tiny and super travel friendly. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you super soon. Bye.